Found an FLKB file from the discontinued FLKB browser. These contain bookmarks or browser data from a unique social web browser. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these FLKB browser data files. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful FLKB troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. FLKB files are data files associated with FLKB, a discontinued social-focused web browser based on Mozilla and later Chromium technologies. They may contain bookmarks, browsing history, social media account configurations, or user data from the browser, which integrated social networking features into the browsing experience. FLKB FLKB files use a format inherited from Mozilla SQLite-based storage or custom FLKB-specific structures depending on the browser version. The format stores user data, including bookmarks, history, saved passwords, and social network integration settings, unique to the FLKB browser's social-centric feature set. Your primary software solution for FLKB files should be Notepad++ from Don Ho. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows may show static content, but interactive modules require browser execution. Let's see which program can read this specific version. Right-click the FLKB file and hit Open with. Test Notepad++ first. If it's not present, choose a different app. That often leads to the fix. If you cannot access the FLKB file, no problem. This FLKB file requires certain conditions to open properly. To isolate the error, we'll quickly verify these essential details on our checklist. First, inspecting in text editors. Open the FLKB file in a text editor like Notepad++ or VS Code to check if the content is readable text. Some FLKB data files contain XML or JSON structures with bookmarks and configuration data that can be manually extracted and imported into modern browsers like Firefox or Chrome. Next, importing bookmarks manually. Extract bookmark URLs from FLKB files manually if the format permits. Save URLs in a standard HTML bookmarks file format and import into Firefox, Chrome, or Edge through their bookmark import features. This recovers bookmark data even though the original FLKB browser is no longer maintained or available. Finally, migrating to modern browsers. Since FLKB was discontinued in 2011 transition, any usable browser data to modern alternatives like Firefox, Chrome, Edge, or Vivaldi. Modern browsers offer extension ecosystems that can replicate many of FLKB's social media integration features through extensions for Twitter, Facebook, and other social network browser integrations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.